Hey guys, welcome back to Printer Tales. So, you're here to learn how to set up your Brother MFC J985DW printer wirelessly. Well, the process is simple, but it depends on person to person. Also, setting up a printer as complete beginner could be confusing when you don't know about the driver download and which buttons you should press. Here, I'll tell you the step-by-step process to set up your printer to a Mac without any issues. However, if you need any additional help, then call the numbers on the screen. Alright then, let's begin the process now. First of all, head over to your brother's printer's touchscreen panel and tap on the Wi-Fi option. Once you've done that, go ahead and select the Setup Wizard option from the menu. Now, when you see this confirmation prompt pop up, just tap on Yes to move forward. So, now your printer is going to start searching for the wireless network. Just give it a second. Alright, once the list of available networks shows up, look for your router's name and select it, and then tap OK. Here's where you'll need to type in your network password using the control panel. Just enter it carefully and then tap OK when you're done. Once you see the Apply Settings prompt appear on the screen, simply tap on Yes to confirm. And just like that, wireless connection between your printer and your router is complete. When the Wi-Fi connection of your printer is complete, let's move on to the next step to complete the setup. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you find these steps easy to follow. Head over to official Brother website and download the full driver package. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open the file. When the file opens, choose your preferred language and then click Next option. On the next page, you will see an I agree checkbox. Click on that and then hit the Next button once again. Now, you need to choose wireless network connection and then click Next. When you see the printer's model number appear on the screen, just select it and click on Next to continue. Now, make sure the standard radio button is selected and then click on Next. When you land on this screen, go ahead and choose Install option. Then, just follow the on-screen steps until you see the Software Installation Complete screen pop up. And finally, click on the Finish button and setup process is complete.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.